Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the APN profile on your TECNO router. So if you have a TECNO router and you want to change your APN profile, the first thing that you want to do is connect to your router's connection. So connect to the Wi-Fi or via an Ethernet cable. And after you've done that, it doesn't even need to have a Wi-Fi connection. You can just connect to it and you should be able to access the admin page. And to do that, you're gonna enter the IP of your router. So if you've changed it, just type in whatever you've changed it to, but by default it's 192.168.0.1. So there you go, now we're in the page. You might be logged out and you want to have to log in. So the default password and username are admin and admin. So this is what it should look like. And now we press login. We are logged into the admin page. So here we're gonna go to home and press on the settings button next to the internet section. Then go to the APN tab and select profile. So you have this little expanding tab right here, and just change it to the profile that you need. I currently don't have any other profiles unlocked, but if you do, they will appear right here. And once you've done that, make sure to press apply to save your settings. And after they are applied, you might need to restart your device. So here, as you can see, your settings may not take effect immediately. If you need to fully take effect, propose restart the device. So just press yes, and your device will start to restart. And once it's done that, everything will be applied. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.